Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Steam generator software for creating the Grand League winning teams for the basketball, and this video is specifically made for the basketball and how to use this software for the basketball teams creation. So first of all, let's click on the any match available here. So let's click on the second match, and you can select all these players. For example, let me select let me select these players, and after that continue. And for example, let me select randomly for these players, and after that from the another section also I'm going to select the players, and after that continue. And let me select these players actually, and so I have selected completely 16 players from both the sides, and after that continue. And here, so we have two options here, Grand League section and Advanced Generation section. I suggest you to go with the Advanced Generation section, because in basketball we have very less competition and we can easily predict who is going to perform well. So let's click on Advanced Generation section, and after that if you want to select any fixed player, you can also select that fixed player. For example, in basketball we can easily predict who is going to perform well, so we can easily fix that player. For example, S Gilgius is the player I want to fix, and after that continue. If you want to fix more players, you can also fix more players here, and after that you need to select the captain players. I suggest you to select the 3 or more players for the captain selection, and after that continue. And also for the same for the vice captain selection also, and after that continue. And we need to select the team partition strategy, so I suggest you to select more players from both the more players from stronger team. If PHX is a stronger team, go with more players from the PHX, for example 5-3 and 4-4, and after that continue. I would like to select all the strategies here, and I suggest you to give 94 to 100 as the credit range, or you can also give 95 to 100 or whatever the credit range that you know. And after that I suggest you to select the combinations that you are familiar with. If you have some good knowledge on the basketball, you can select this easily. And if you don't have any knowledge, go with the Grand League section in our software. So after that continue, and we need to enter the number of teams you want to create. For example, if I want to create 5 teams, click on 5 teams. So you can see the teams are successfully created and stored, and all these teams are very accurate teams. Software we have a lot of combinations to create these teams, so you can see all these teams are successfully stored. And also if you want to see these teams and if you want to check the results of these teams, you can also do that. You can see 16 seconds ago we have created the teams. So if you want to see the results, you have to add the player points after the match is finished. If you want to see those teams, you can easily see those 5 teams. If you want to see the results, you have to give the player points after the match is completed. And for example, if you want to give some of the player points, for example, I would like to give some player points here. So for example, Zilgias I want to give 36. After that continue. You have to add the player points after the match is finished to check the results. So you can see the see results option is available now. So if you want to see the results, you can easily see the results. So this is how you can use the team generator software effectively for the basketball game. And I hope you guys like this video. Those who want the software, those who have interest, you can contact me. I have provided you the contact details in the description box below. And thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard, stay in fight.